Give it to her.
Come up here.
Hi.
Come here, Gabriel.
Hi,
Do you want to see?
Hey, handsome boy.
Well, you can look at her. She's right here.
Hi.
You see the shoes?
Yeah,
Yes.
they're really cute.
You didn't seem surprised.
No, we figured it out. We heard the sewing machine.
I did it this morning.
That's your little sister. You can give her a kiss if you want.
Who's that?
Aww. Can you do it slow this time?
Yeah,
Very
keep
nice.
can you keep your lips on her forehead so Lauren can take a picture?
There you go. Still, can you do it slower?
Like this, like this. Watch.
There.
You see how
You
long
do
that was
it.
there?
Now you do it.
Good job.
Good
job,
There you go.
Gracie.
Would you like to? Do you want to see your sister? Come over here. You can come see your sister. Who is this? Look, Gabriel. Who is this? What do you have for her? What is that? Mommy, what is that?
I got the dolphin. And then what's that? And I got these wings.
Those are
And I
cool.
picked up this.
You want to lean down and kiss her? Yeah, very good.
Good job,
Good job, buddy.
Gabriel. Gracie, would you, if you come sit in my lap, I will let you hold her.
Wow.
Very nice. Aww. Is she sweet? Gracie is a very proud big sister.
That one doesn't make any noises, huh?
Cute.
She's
She's probably smaller than your dolly, huh? Or do you think is she the same size as your dollies? Would you like to take her home? Yeah. Look at this, huh? Now, Mommy said she looks like both of you.